Can an AI image actually break your heart? I didn't think so until I saw this. We're talking real emotion and flawless lip sync that brings the character to life. Just watch the expression.
When your heart is racing at the speed of light, and you feel like you got nowhere else to go.
Pretty impressive, right? But wait, that's not even the best part. Let's play another one. This second video changes everything.
I hope this amazed you. And if you're thinking, how did she even make this? Come with me. Let me show you how Becky created it.
So the first thing to do is to find our music. So we'll be going to TikTok search, click on the search, and you will type in free worship song, free copyrighted worship song, or any type of song that you wanted. You can just type it there, then just click on sound, and it will give you a lot of music that is free copyrighted. If you can't go to TikTok to find your music, maybe you are afraid, you can go to ncs.io. all their songs are free. Like, you can copy one. The only thing you have to do is to give credit to the owner in your description box on YouTube. So after getting your song, maybe downloading, copying the link of the music you want to use on TikTok, what you have to do again is to go to your browser and type download TikTok audio. But if you are using the video, you can just convert it immediately with MP3. So copy the link of the video you want to use and come to your browser and type download TikTok audio. So here you can, if you are using the audio, you can type this download TikTok audio. But if you are using the video, then you will use a MP3 converter. So on this video, we'll be using TikTok MP3 downloader because we copied the audio. Here I'll be pasting the link. I'll paste the link of the video of the audio that I copied from TikTok. Then I click download. That's all. Your video will just download and save to your file. So after getting the music that you wanted to use, then you head over to the apps you are going to use to generate your AI singing videos. So in today's video, I'll be showing you 3 ways you can do this, 3 ways you can generate your singing videos. I'll show you the best one and the first one. I will show you the first one, the video is generated, the second one and the video is generated, and the third one, so that you can make any of your choice depending on the type of video you want to create. So the first app we'll be using is HeyGen AI. So just go to your browser and type HeyGen AI, and this app is absolutely free. So when you type a HeyGen AI, it will bring you to this interface. Then you pick this first one. Then after that, it will bring you to this place where you can see get started for free. So what you have to do is to sign in with your Google account. If you didn't sign in, I think they will not give you space to generate anything. So you have to sign in with your Google. Then after signing in, then you are good to go to generate any image, anything you wanted. So after signing in into Google, it will bring you back to this page. Just leave the app and sign and come in again. Then it will show you this interface where you can see create avatar video, translate videos, transform yourself. So what you have to do is to click on this create avatar videos. So when you tap on it, it will show you upload a photo. then they will also show you script or audio. So I hope by now you have already generated your images. So you tap on it and then choose the image that you have generated. So we'll be using this particular image. After uploading it, you click on this Juno to change the voice, to choose the voice that you wanted. So you can just try the first one. If it's not what you wanted, you can try the second one. So this is what you have to do. Then after that, you click on this small audio, small mic. So when you click on it, then you upload your audio. But if you're not dealing with music, you can just type whatever you want the image to say. So after tapping the small mic, then they will bring you here that you should choose, would you like to access the microphone? You said, you type okay. So then you allow your HeyGen AI to use your mic. So here you see record and you see audio. You upload audio. You tap on upload audio, then you upload the video, the music, the song that you have saved on your file. So you upload it here. So let's just wait for it to upload. So as you can see, they said you cannot upload music, like music, or that you cannot upload music that exceed 30 seconds. So what you have to, if you have this situation, what you have to do is to go to your browser and type audio trimmer. So when you type in, we'll be using this first one here, and it will bring you to this place where you will see online audio and MP cutter. So you click on this choose file, not upload, choose file. Then you go to choose file and then upload the song that you wanted to trim. So you bring it, you drag the edges to make it, and be checking the number down there and to know when it reached 30 seconds. So after trimming it, then you scroll down and see crop. You click on crop and then download the music. Then you head over to your HeyGen AI to upload your music. So after uploading it, you wait for your result, and this is what we have.
Hold you till the sun comes in the morning light.
Thing I like with this HeyGen AI is that it syncs with emotion. Like it syncs with emotion depending on the type of music that you put, and the lip sync is perfect. So will you be trying this? So the next app that we'll be using is sync.so. Just go to your browser and type sync.so, sync.so. So when you click on it, it will bring you to this interface where you will see start for free, like here, where you will see start for free. So you tap on it. All these apps are free, like they didn't require any money at all. So you click on start for free, it will bring you to this page where you will see upload, asset, record, link, URL. So you click on upload, then you click on photo library and choose the photo you wanted to use. We'll be using this Fine Man. One thing that actually happens on this app is that sometimes it's used to misbehave. Sometimes it will show you choose photo, sometimes it will show you to choose video. So here they said choose video. What you have to do is to animate your video. Don't mind what it's saying, or you can mute what the video is saying. So, and if you want to get the best part of you can just switch your phone to desktop version. You can tap on this AA and turn your phone into desktop version, and maybe turn it to landscape, so that you will see all the option they gave you. So after uploading your animated video, then they will show you where you can choose your sound. If you choose your sound and they say that the sound have exceeded, this one maybe it's normally choose 20 minutes. 20 seconds. So you can just trim it as the way I told you on the previous video. So you trim it and then mute the mic of this video, this particular video that you posted. Click on this mic icon and mute it. After muting it, you can click on this div to change the sound, the voices that you need. You check the voices that you need. I normally turn it so that I can get the best part of the app, because if you put it straight, some app will not be showing since I'm using phone. So after that, you click on sync so that it will rhyme with the music that you have posted. After doing that, what you have to do is to make sure that you added your email. Is what I forgot. Make sure that you added your email so that it will generate. So after putting your email, then you wait for it to generate, and this is the final result. So we will be trying this. So we come to the last one, which is Lipsync. Like if you come to your browser, you have Lipsync. This first one, free AI Lipsync, and this third one now, AI talking photos, like Lipsync AI talking photos. So the second one is the best one. So if you open it, it will bring you to this page where you have to sign in with your Google account. Here you see talking photos, talking avatar, talking animals. You click on talking photos, then you upload your picture. Here in this app, they normally give cards, they normally give credit anytime you sign in. So they always give 50 or 70 depending on what they are giving for the day. So you need to sign in whether you are using it or not, so that it will be compiling up. If not, you will start afresh. So what you have to do is to upload your picture, the image that you wanted to use, then it's uploading. After uploading it, you scroll down where you see modules. These modules determine the type, like how you want your music to sound. The first module is these talking photos. This talking photo, they have 2.0, 3.0, 4.0. So I normally like to use this 3.0 talking photos because I think that's give me the best of it. So after clicking on it, you come down here where you see enter your text, upload or record your audio. So you click on, you see input text, you click on upload audio, then you go to your file where you save your audios and then upload the audio that you wanted to use. This one also uses 30 seconds music. So if your own is above 30 seconds, you go and trim it down the way I taught you before. So after uploading it, you then click on generate depending on the credits you have. If you do not have enough credits, you can leave it till tomorrow. So that is the bad side of it. So this is the video that it's generated. So which one will you be trying? I prefer the first one, which is HeyGen AI, because it syncs with emotion and it doesn't get like they don't normally give you coin. You can generate as many as possible. So which one will you be trying? Please, if you find this video helpful, please do well to subscribe, comment, and see you in my next video.